Hi everyone. So in this session we are going to see about the conservation of biodiversity. So here you can see it, the two sides of world. One side is having the nature like mountains, water, plants, forest, pure sunlight. The other side you can see lot of tall buildings, industries and the pollution emitted by these industries, and how the water gets, see the water is clear here whereas the water is not clear here, right? So biodiversity is happening only because of they have categorized into in situ and ex situ, means there are some protected areas and whereas unprotected areas, means protected area means by how we are protecting it by having the national sanctuaries, parks, reservoirs, everything. So in the terrestrial as well as in the marine ecosystem, right? So by having the also by producing the botanic, like having the botanical gardens, zoological parks, aquariums, if we have such things we can conserve our biodiversity, else we will lose because of this pollutants. And here I have highlighted about the threats of biodiversity and hotspots of biodiversity. So we should see about the hotspots. So here you can see that where mainly the felt as a hotspot for biodiversity means like East Africa, Madagascar, Southwest Indonesia, Western Ghats, India. Here and all you can see the major hotspot, and the threats are because of like why this biodiversity, why we are getting depleted means because of the habitat destruction, genetic pollution, over exploitation, hybridization, climatic change, diseases. This and all are the major threats for the biodiversity, right? So as I said, the globe, one part will be natural, other part is polluted and because of the artificial things, right? And we can see about the forest wealth and deforestation. See the forest health, here one side you can see the forest wealth, another one you can see the deforestation. See, when there is a forest, what are the uses of forest means you will get a good energy, right? A good like we will be having food, fuel, health, shelter, everything we will get if we have good forest wealth. But if we deplete that, the if we like deforestation means ruining the forest, if we do that, then the result will be like drought, wildfire, increase in temperature, animals death, vegetations and resources will be fully lost. These are all the effects of deforestation, right? And the more effects of deforestation is we will lose the important species, and soil erosion may take place, and we will lose humans, animals, everyone, right? So also it will affect oxygen cycle, water cycle, carbon cycle. So here you can see the lungs are fully depleted, right? And the succession means like the changes that is happening, which depletes the community is said as succession. So there are primary and secondary succession. So like as we had seen earlier, heterotrophic succession and heterotrophic succession are there. Like for example, we can see some like examples, like a group of organisms, here you can see lichens, it is found as a primary stage of succession. So a community like one minute. So here you can see the secondary succession. So I have shown the primary succession in my earlier slide, and this is the example for secondary succession. So like a community is replaced by another community is said like succession. And we example, like we will lose like trees, or because of fire or wind or deforestation. So this happens only in the secondary succession. So the process of succession involves around 8 levels like nudation, invasion, migration, colonization, and SS, aggregation, competition and reaction, and climax or stabilization. So these are all the different process involved in the succession, and I will see in the next lecture video. Thank you all.